My boots here, the sole is falling apart. If you don't have a good pair of leather boots, it's nice to have, and on long trip, they can come in real handy, all right? Very sturdy, so ankle support. I mean, mine's been through war, but that's what these supposed to do. They're supposed to take care of you during battle. Get it sewn back here, and this should be good. Again, a good pair of boots is always good to have. My bag is also somewhat falling apart, and it's heavy, and I leave it out in the sun when I'm traveling. Love this bag. Very, very, very sturdy. Get that fixed, add a new buckle on because the buckle, it was overloaded and it just fell off. Just those two things. And while I'm at it, I'll be talking about what I probably should leave at home now. What I found out from this last trip was when you're going out with a group, a family, even a friend, check with them and see what they're bringing. You don't need to bring 2 sets of everything. And this time, that's what happened. Family brought food, brought drinks. I could have left half of the bag and just brought my tent, sleeping bag, and toiletry. I mean, I don't need it. That's it. I didn't use my camp set, stove, kitchen things, the stove here. I didn't use the sturdy stakes. Now what I did use is a pair of shirt and shorts, kitchen stuff, scrubber for the pans and anything oily, spatula I didn't need to use. I just needed a toothbrush and a toothpaste. That was all I used on this trip. Air pillow I did use. Nice air pillow. Once you have used an air pillow for camping, it's hard to go back and just use a regular pillow, a foam pillow, a t-shirt, or a bunch of t-shirts, pants, clothing for pillow. Air pillow, it's light, look, it packs to nothing. So get your air pillow. Nothing else in the front. Oh yeah. I was hoping to relax and I forgot again. When you're going with a group of friends, sometimes you're just going to be hanging out together, and that's what we did this time. I brought a pair of binoculars. Friends got together and got me. Besides binocular, I didn't even use. Again, I might not need to bring the rain fly for my tent anymore. This is the rain fly, I'm sorry. This is the fly sheet. I didn't need to use this. No rain fly, instead a fly sheet, lighter, smaller. And then my tent. Look at how small the tent is. I can put the fly sheet in there and some, and it'll fit in the tent bag, in the bag. I didn't have to use my water bag again because there was water and food, drinks, snacks, everything you need, and plenty of liquid. Talking about drinking, when you're at camp, I don't mind getting wasted, man, and then just enjoying the evening, the night, and then wake up, especially if you're not in a rush to just leave camp. Get up, chill, have a cup of coffee, feel good, and get back on the road. Okay? Now, of course, when you're riding, man, try to stay good. Alright, I'm not going to say drink or not drink, but be good, be responsible. These are my camp stakes. I do use them for the fly sheet and the tent if needed. The poles, I brought 2 pieces of extra pole in case 1 or 2 break or just somehow disappear. And this is my complete tent pole and fly sheet pole. It's great to put on top of the stove. Okay, I mean, it's very thin. It shouldn't even count. It weighs nothing. And the good old aluminum pan didn't need. Look at that. Look at that. Fan, I did use. Yes, these mosquito. I feel like I'm back at camp. Ugh, sir. I gotta work on my mosquito killing technique. Fan use. Headlamp I didn't even use. I just used my phone. Come on, mosquito, be good. Air pump I didn't need. I loaded up this time, alright? In my opinion, although I did pack very, very minimally, towards the end, everything started showing up. The wife had said, you want this, you want to use this, you want that. And I ended up having a few extra things that I didn't really need. Even this one-sided, supposedly for the stove or anything hot in case of an emergency, you need to get to your exhaust to do any repairs. Okay, I love to have both sides. I only have the left side left. It is light now, man. My pack is light. I throw all of this in there. Oh man. I throw all of this in here. It weighs pretty much nothing. Oh my God, this is. Who don't want to pack light? All right, so that's it. Pack light. It's gonna save you gas, it's gonna save you energy, and there's just no need to bring stuff you don't need. Although it's always nice to have the luxury and things that you need. I'm not saying don't bring things you need. Bring things you need, but sometimes if you don't plan accordingly, or sometimes when you're too worried about not having this, again, I talk about bringing the whole kitchen sink. We don't need that. Okay? Know who you're going with, see what they're bringing, and that should save you a ton of weight, like what I just showed you here. Check them out. Look at all that. That's what I could have left at home on this trip, and that's probably a good few kilos there. And this is all I had to bring. All in a pack and light. Thanks for checking out the video. I'm gonna go and get all these mosquitoes with my technique.